Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I appreciate you stopping back by. Today I want to cover a few quick things. I'll talk to you about being involved with a married woman in the Philippines. And an older Filipino is more likely to be married. The average age of marriage in the Philippines is 23 years old. But today I want to talk to you about a foreigner cheating on his Filipino wife in the Philippines. A couple police officers, Filipino officers, cheating on their wives in the Philippines and getting caught. Another Filipino getting caught with a 21-year-old. And I got a twist at the end. So there's a couple things I want to share with you, and I'm going to make this quick. So grab your beer, pull your seat up, and let's talk about it. Hey guys, again, I appreciate you stopping back by again today. I appreciate the likes and the comments and the dislikes. I got a few dislikes, and for some reason, the most dislikes I ever got on this channel was on the video that I said it's illegal to be with a minor in the Philippines unless you're with a blood relative. For some reason, I got 6 damn dislikes about that. I don't understand that. I wasn't talking about having a relationship with a minor. Hell, we all know that's illegal. I was just saying be careful being with a minor in public alone without a blood relative. For some reason, I got a bunch of dislikes about that. So you can comment on that. Why I got dislikes about that? I have no idea. But today, I'm just going to go through this real quick. I'm not going to make this long. I seen a bunch of articles the last couple of days I got to looking at, and I thought, well, I've talked about the danger of getting involved with an older woman because the average age of marriage in the Philippines is 24.3 years. That's the average age that most Filipinos get married, and then it goes up. When you get to 30, it's like 60% are married, and it gets up to like 36, and like 70% is married. So I talked about that. But today, I want to talk to you about the opposite. We know you can go to jail for being involved with a married woman in the Philippines. I want to talk to you today about some Filipinos and foreigners that has went to jail for cheating on their Filipino wife. So, all right, let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to go through this real quick. All right. Wife catches foreigner husband, alleged mistress, in Lapu-Lapu Hotel and sends them to jail. A foreign national and his mistress were arrested in a hotel at Lapu-Lapu City on October 3rd, 2023. Now, all this stuff that I got has been within the last year about. So, I mean, there's a bunch of articles. I just got a few of them. According to the initial report, Mactan Police Station, the wife saw her husband passionately holding hands with his mistress while getting inside the hotel's elevator. All right. The wife and the foreign national got married in, I don't know how you say it, Das Marinas, Cavite. It's supposed to be on April 2023. It says in April 2023. After witnessing the incident, the wife immediately approached them and turned them over to the Mactan police station. The mistress, according to the initial investigation, was a native of Barangay Mabini in Bohol. The wife was with her friend during the incident, who served as a witness in the complaint. The legal wife witnessed the misery that caused her so much pain with her husband's secret affair by putting it to an end. She got them arrested by authorities for concubinage. Mactan Police Station said on Facebook post. On Wednesday, October the 4th, 2023, the wife pursued the filing for the charges of concubinage against her husband and mistress. You got to be careful cheating in the Philippines. Cops get caught cheating by their respective police spouses. Now, I'm not going to go into this too much, but according to this article, if you want to look at it, you can type that in. You'll find it on Google. According to this article, 2 police officers was in a mall parking lot having relations with 2 other women, and their 2 wives showed up and called them and had them put in jail. 2 police officers. And so they ain't playing with this. Husband determined to file adultery charges against wife caught with lover in Compostela Inn. Cebu City, a husband is determined to file adultery charges against his wife who was caught with a lover inside an inn in Compostela town, Cebu, last Saturday, July 15, 2023. Patrolman Alvin Moreno of the Compostela police station in a phone interview on Monday, July 17th, said the husband's adultery charges against his 45-year-old wife was already forwarded to court. So I'm guessing this is a Filipino dude who got caught cheating on his wife. Well, almost done. I ain't got many more. Concubinage raps filed against husband. 21-year-old mistress arrested in Mandaue. Concubinage charges have already been filed against a 47-year-old man and his 21-year-old mistress, who were both arrested by police on September the 4th in Barangay Luke, Mandaue City. Police Senior Master Sergeants Ray Antiguas, desk officer at a Powell police station, told CDNC Digital in a phone interview. So I'm guessing that's a Filipino man, but it gets a little bit worse here. We're going to get to a foreign national here in a second. I think this is it. All right. British husband faces 6 years in jail for adultery after he is caught by police having sex with his mistress, thanks to tip-off from suspicious wife in the Philippines. A British husband has been arrested after he allegedly got caught having sex with his mistress in the family home in the Philippines. This man's got some nerve now. Kevin Robert Stitt, 36, was put under police surveillance. Adultery and concubinage are illegal in this Catholic country, following complaints from this suspicious wife that he was having an affair. The motorbike ride in Briton was followed by cops who watched him return to a property he shared with his Filipino wife while she was outside seeing relatives in the Cebu province mid-afternoon on July the 4th. Now, all this is within a year. That's 2023. It's more or less a year. I was getting ready to... Anyway, officers then stormed into the home in the coastal village of Tubal and Mobile to find Mr. Stitt and the alleged mistress, Rowena Torres, 30, while they were in bed together in the act of doing the deed. They were getting jiggy with it. So this is her, I guess. This is Rowena Torres, 30. Speaking today, an officer from the Mobile police station said in a phone interview that the Briton is subject of an investigation. He has a private lawyer. Mobile police station confirmed that the pair were caught in the act and were taken into custody. The officer added that the wife came in and asked us for help. The house where they were found in was conjugal property, so they both belonged to the area. They both lived there. They were sleeping together when the officers went in at 1:40 p.m. Mr. Stitt is being grilled on allegations of marital infidelity, which is punishable by up to 6 years in prison. Meanwhile, his alleged Filipino lover, Miss Torres, may face charges of concubinage, which is punishable by jail time up to 4 years for being with a married man. Officers said investigations to the instance are ongoing, and the husband, wife, and alleged mistress are being interviewed. So this woman that cheated with her man that was married, said she's facing up to 4 years in prison. All right. Now this is a little bit different. This is the twist at the end. Girlfriend may file case against cheating boyfriend. Law dean. A law dean said under the Expanded Act Violence Against Women and Their Children Act of 2004, an offended party can also be a woman with whom a man has had sexual or dating relationships aside from a former or current wife. That's getting deep now. The man in question cohabited with another woman, impregnated her while his wife was working overseas. She was an OFW, apparently. So, in January 2016, the man was found guilty by a regional court of inflicting psychological violence against his wife and daughter through emotional and psychological abandonment for cheating. All right. The man then attempted to plead before the Court of Appeals, where he claimed his wife and daughter were the ones who abandoned him. When he lost the case, he took it to the Supreme Court, which upheld the rulings by the RTC and the CA. The Supreme Court noted that the daughter's psychological trauma was evident when she wept in open court upon being asked to narrate to petitioner's infidelity. In particular, the daughter explained that she was deeply hurt by her father, had another family, and loved another woman other than her mother. Mowes pointed out that Section 3A of the law states that an offended party can also be a woman with whom the person has or had a sexual dating relationship aside from a former current wife and a legitimate or illegitimate child. So according to this, from what I'm getting now, I could be completely wrong, and I hope I am. According to this, even a woman that gets pregnant by a man and has a relationship with a man that's already married can file charges against a married man, even though he's married. I don't know, it's getting pretty deep here. So that's why I told you guys I ain't going over there and getting married. I ain't getting this. Just you know. Now this is probably rare instances, you know. But it's getting to the point where even a girlfriend can file charges because she's been emotionally abused. That's just too much for me. I also seen, and I couldn't find it. I searched for it. I seen a man that was in his 40s. He was gay, and he was with a guy in college that was gay, a young guy. He found out the guy in college was cheating on him, and he killed him. And now he's trying to plead not guilty because they was in a relationship. And in the Philippines, according to a lot of stuff I've seen, if you find your spouse, significant other involved in a relationship and having a sexual affair, you can get away with killing both of them. And that's what he's trying to claim, that he was emotionally abused, and he caught them in the act of something, and he's trying to use that, even though they're gay, he's trying to use it. So anyway, you guys be careful. I just want to cover this real quick with you. I found some crazy shit in here. So you guys going over there and getting married to these Filipino women, you better be careful. Don't cheat either. Not only is it illegal to go over there and get involved with a married woman, if you go over there and get married to a woman, you get caught cheating, you're in the same damn situation. So when you go to the Philippines and get married, you better make sure that's the one you want to get married, because hell, now they're trying to get you locked up if you just dating somebody and cause emotional abuse if you're cheating. So that's all I got today. I appreciate you stopping back by. I appreciate you subscribers. I appreciate the comments and the thumbs up and the thumbs down. I appreciate those. So I'll try to get you some more videos out soon. And you guys take care of yourself, and thank you for everything. And I'll see you next time. Bye.